All of them, yeah. Like Alia is so talented. पहले तो जैसे सब cassettes और CDs लेते थे तो
Okay, coming back to this, there are so many times when you sang the song and there were actresses in it, and we have asked this to a couple of singers even before. Like, according to you, which actress suited that voice?
all मेरी आवाज़ सबको सूट करती है ऐसा मैं मानना चाहूँगी but it's always good to sing for some all of them, yeah. Like Alia is so talented, and I've sung for Sonam, I've sung for Alia, I've sung for Katrina. So matlab I तो would love to sing for everybody. They're all so good.
Okay. So this is something that has happened in the movie side, that
And Kiara also, Raja.
Yes, Raja. This is something that has happened on the movie side, where people have shifted from theaters to OTTs now. The content range has kind of just opened up too big. Something similar has happened even in the music scene, where it's not just the mainstream
Correct.
Bollywood songs or Hindi
Correct.
music songs that people are focusing on. I want to know if if you have kept a track of it and you know about it, or your perception toward it. Like, what made the people shift from these Hindi songs to just all the varieties that are now out?
क्योंकि एक तो पहले इतने गाने ऐसे आते ही नहीं थे. Like there was no supply of such songs. Like people had no access. तो अभी because it's become easier for artists to put their content out on all the platforms. So if it connects with the audience, it reaches, and then you get exposed to like different genres of music. And पहले तो जैसे सब cassettes और CDs लेते थे तो सिर्फ वही मिलता था जो labels डाल रहे हैं. अभी on the internet you can listen to any music like globally, right? So that's how like that's where you get inspired from. Like you can get inspired from everything and anything right now, and also you don't have to seek approval of labels or like few people, to like it's not them who will decide कि ये चलेगा या ये नहीं चलेगा. Artists like they feel यार ये हमें अच्छा लगता है हम डाल देते हैं तो फिर वो trend बन जाता है, फिर then more people follow that genre. तो that's how it's happened. Like
it's amazing how things have opened up.
Yeah.
Digital.
Correct.